Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change the color of time on iPhone lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, make sure that you are on iOS 16 or later, because this feature appears in iOS 16. You can open up Settings, then tap at General, and then at About, and right here it shows you the current iOS version. I got 16.3. If you got some earlier versions of iOS, you need to hit at General at Software Update, and then just get the latest iOS update. After that, you can just swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the lock screen, and then just hold down somewhere here to bring up that mode, where first off you can select any wallpaper, and then just underneath the wallpaper hit Add Customize. Then select lock screen, and now you can hit Add Time to show up that options, and that's where you can change the color of time widget just simply by selecting colors right here. Once you have selected one, you can drag this slider to change color intensity or saturation or transparency, and also you can at the very right position find that option where you can set any custom color that you want in that way. Once you have finished with that, you can just close it and then hit at this X icon again. To save the changes, just don't forget to hit Add Done. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.